The Idea Sprint Studio not only works great on your computer, but did you know you can use your phone for even better results? Here's what you need before you start. A phone with the Chrome browser installed, a stand and iPhone clip, a light source. This could be a window or LED light, a microphone. If you use your phone's mic, you're gonna sound tinny. Even a $25 mic will sound better than your phone's ambient audio quality. First, let's get your iPhone to use Chrome as your default browser. If you have Android, you should be good to go. Download Chrome, go to your settings, scroll down to Chrome and change your default browser from Safari to Chrome. Next, click the Sprint Studio link we sent you. When you open the app, Chrome will ask you for permission to access the camera and microphone. First up, you'll see the script. Take a minute and read it out loud before you jump into recording. You need to scroll down to uncover the Start Record button. When you hit Start Record, the teleprompter will automatically start playing. You can drag it closer to your camera for a better eyeline. Once you're done with your first take, close the teleprompter using the X button on the upper right. Then click the record button to stop recording, and then wait. Your video needs to upload before you can film another take, and it might take a bit depending on the video length and your internet connection. Get yourself a glass of water, fix your lipstick, do some breathing exercises. Once you see this green notification, it will automatically take you back to the start recording screen so you can film another take. We recommend at least 3. If you scroll down, you can see all your takes here, but don't delete them. Our editors want more rather than less options. Once you're happy with your takes, let that last video upload, then close the app. That's all you have to do. Our producers are notified that you've recorded and will get your clips into our editors' hands. For great tips on lighting, framing, and delivery, check out our blog for tutorials to help you record with confidence.